Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha. And in this video, we are going to talk about 5 small cap stocks with immense growth potential for long term investment. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first stock on our list is going to be Happiest Minds Technology. Now, it's one of the best IT companies which came up with a super successful IPO listing. It listed with a premium of roughly about 110 to 120%, and even after its listing, it has given you a returns of roughly 50% in just about 3 to 4 months. That's really great, isn't it? Apart from that, this is one of the best companies in the IT space, having the complete potential to become a multi-bagger in future because it is a bit different from traditional IT companies such as TCS or Infosys. The company is focused on cutting edge technologies such as data analytics, cloud computing, blockchain, machine learning, which are the technologies which are still nurturing, and I see an immense demand for these technologies in times to come. So it's definitely one of the best companies that you can consider for long term investment. Again, we are talking about small caps here, so this is a small cap company. And if I show you the financials, so you can see that since the last 2 years the company has been seeing a profit growth of roughly about 5 times. That's really insane. And one of the best reasons is because that I told you that these technologies are still nurturing and the demand is increasing with time. So definitely we can see great returns from this company in times to come. So you can definitely consider investing in this company for long term. The second candidate on our list is going to be Tata Elxsi Limited. Again, it's one of the best IT companies, of course, which comes with the name of one of the most trusted groups of companies, which is the Tata Group. And it provides services such as technology consulting, product design, software development for areas such as automobiles and healthcare. Again, what makes it so unique is the adaptation of emerging technologies like IoT, big data analytics, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence. Again, I would like to reiterate that these are nurturing technologies with a huge demand in almost all business sectors, and therefore they should definitely be one of the companies you should be eyeing for long term investment. Let us look at what sort of returns has this stock given. So in 1 month, the stock is available at a correction of roughly about 10%. In 1 year, the stock has given you really good returns of 172%. And in 5 years, this stock has generated humongous returns of 185%. It's not even 5 years. The stock was listed recently in 2016, so it's almost about 4 years. And since then, this has made your money almost 3 times. That is really great. Talking about the company financials, so the profit and the revenue have been increasing on every year, and this is again one of the best companies to consider for long term investment. The third stock on our list is going to be Deepak Nitrite. Again, it's one of the best companies in the specialty chemicals segment, and this company has generated enormous wealth for its investors in the past. Let's have a look at that. So, in 5 years, you won't believe that this company has generated almost about 2500% returns. Now, such companies are really rare to find, and you can see that this company has a lot of growth potential for future as well because of its promoters and the work that they are doing, and the management is pretty adamant about the fact that specialty chemicals are seeing a huge demand in almost every industry. And again, this could be one of the multi baggers in the future as well. Again, in 1 year, the stock has given you again great returns of about a 209%. And recently, you can see that the stock is creating new all-time highs every single day. If I show you the chart of Deepak Nitrite, you will see for yourself that the stock has become rocket since it was roughly at about 1000 rupees, and it hasn't seen any correction. These are little minute corrections. I would strongly suggest you to wait for some correction if you want to buy this stock for long term. A good price to buy would be generally around 1340, which is the 20 exponential moving average of this stock as on date. And again, if I show you the financials, so the financials, you will see that again the revenue and the profits have been increasing year on year, and that too you can see that it's an exponential growth in both revenue as well as profits. Again, one of the best companies for long term investment. Do give it a thought, and you can definitely consider long term investment in this company. The fourth stock on our list is going to be again from the specialty chemicals business, which is Alkyla Mines. Now, this has again been one of the most favorite and popular small caps for a lot of investors. The stock has generated enormous returns in recent times. So let me show you. In 1 year, the stock has given you a returns of close to about 242%. In 5 years, the stock has given really good returns of about 1500%. and I still see a lot of growth on this stock from a long-term perspective. Again, the stock has run up too much recently, so I would highly advise you to wait for some correction before initiating a buy. 4800 looks like a really good support for this particular stock, which is also the 50-day exponential moving average. And the stock also announced a bonus recently, and I personally hold this stock in my long-term portfolio. The promoter holding is also over 70% for this particular stock, which demonstrates the optimism of promoters on their own company. Talking about the financials, so the profits and the revenue have been increasing every year, and again, it is one of the best bets for long term. The last candidate on our list is going to be Avanti Feeds. Now, Avanti Feeds is a company in the business of packaging packaged meat and seafood, and this company has also generated huge wealth for its investors in the past. So, in 1 year, this company has given you decent returns of about 16%. In 5 years, the stock has given you returns of about 266%. And I guess the stock was listed recently in 2015, and since then it has given you a good returns of about 316%. The good thing about the company is the increase in the demand for its products, and the another thing is the competitive advantage, because there are very few players listed in this segment, and it also has business not only in India but also in other parts of Asia, including Thailand and Taiwan. And with the urbanization continuing to grow, I see a lot more demand for this company's products in times to come. Talking about the financials, so you will see that again the profits and the revenue have been increasing year on year, and the company has been in total growth mode. So these were the five stocks which we talked about in this particular video. I hope this one helps you. If it did, please consider pressing the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such content on investment and trading. Okay, then that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.